Here we're going to create a new Pro Tools session. Once we've clicked on the Pro Tools icon, the program will load and you'll be presented with a Pro Tools dialog box. At this point, we could select a recent session, but we're going to create a new session from scratch here. Of course, if you're going to create a new session from scratch, we need to give it a name. And at this point, saved onto the local drive, we could, if we wanted to, select on a template that had been programmed by Avid and Pro Tools. You've got a number of those to select from, but what we'll do is we actually want to start ours from scratch so that we can learn how to actually set things up. We're going to go with CD quality, so we're going to go 16-bit and we're going to go with 44.1 kilohertz. At this point, we're going to use the in and out settings that were last used, and we're going to keep the file type on a broadcast WAV file. We should select the box stereo interleaved, and finally we're going to ask Pro Tools to prompt us for a location when we hit create. So once we click on create, a new box will come up, a dialog box that's asking us to confirm the location. So we're just going to save this on the desktop for now, and we'll process things from there. So first up, we get the edit window from Pro Tools. On the left hand side, you'll see that there's a tracks column. The tracks column is really just an overview of the tracks. On the right hand side, we'll see the clips column, and in the middle we will see where the actual tracks will live. The clips, of course, are just the audio files, which you'll find in the audio files folder, which is created when Pro Tools starts a new session. There are a number of other files that Pro Tools creates when it first starts a session. The bounce files, the clip groups, session file backups, which happen every 5 minutes, and the video files. Now the session file, the Pro Tools main session file, is a PTX file, and the wave cache saves the waveform visuals.